Hello everyone, here's your latest update on the two developing winter storms that will work their way across the US this weekend into early next week. So here's the GFS model where we currently have Winter Storm Tabitha moving in through the Pacific Northwest, where northwestern Oregon is really receiving a decent amount of snow here. A rare blizzard warning is in effect for areas like the Columbia River Gorge, where wind gusts can reach 70 miles per hour. That can also produce blowing snow and will limit visibility. Over a foot of snow is possible for mountains like Mount Hood and towns like Corbett, Oregon. Before the storm moves east, snow is moving across the Cascades and affecting cities like Portland. That can also stretch across southern Washington here, and even work its way into a good section of Idaho here, central Idaho, and even into the northern Rockies. As the storm moves east, it will collide with the colder Arctic mass that we've been seeing due to this polar vortex that has been moving in the northern plains. Here we can see states like South Dakota, Nebraska, really Nebraska and Iowa will be receiving most of this snow, a decent swath here. Although with these colder temperatures, it'll take a while to melt and it will accumulate very quickly. Rapid City right now is at negative 40 degrees, Sioux Falls -2, Des Moines -1. Here are the wind chills that you are seeing here with temperatures that can reach 20 below 0 degrees. With this polar vortex is moving in. The snow will eventually fill in states like Nebraska and Iowa as it moves eastward along the I-80 corridor. Once conditions clear up, the snow won't melt anytime soon as we have temperatures below 0. Today through tomorrow afternoon we can see 3 to 5 inches across Iowa and Illinois, where cities like Chicago can certainly see some snowfall. It'll be here in the northeast throughout Sunday and Monday. We got some pretty decent snowfall totals here. 3 to 4 inches in upstate New York, 5 to 6 inches in the higher elevations in states like New Hampshire and Vermont. Traveling through Maine here, being 6 inches to areas in central Maine. But you can see the more serious snow is down here on the western east coast. Here's the system following Winter Storm Tabitha, making its way down through Utah and really just the western part of the country. It will make its way down to the deep south here in Texas, southern Midwest. Bringing lots of snow. As you can see here, it starts to bring in some freezing rain here. And so that'll be another factor as it gets down into Texas. I'll go zoom in here. This is what leads me to believe that this will be worse due to the Arctic air mass lying in place before the storm moves in. Yet the Arctic air mass will actually be here in Texas. That's why we'll be receiving all this snow. By this point on Monday, the Arctic air will unleash completely. Temperatures compared to the average could be 40 to 50 degrees below average. This is really an anomalous air mass that will be in place in parts of Texas. This Arctic air mass will potentially push all-time records in parts of Texas and Mississippi and Louisiana. The next factor that makes Erie so dangerous is the fact that we have a strong disturbance aloft in the jet stream moving in that will come on top of the shallow Arctic air. This will lead to winter weather, including snow, where it's cold enough throughout the depth of the atmosphere, as well as even more freezing rain already in impacted areas from Winter Storm Shirley. This freezing rain can extend into the deep south this time on Sunday, unlike Winter Storm Shirley. On Monday, it can actually intensify with deep freezing rain, where we can see freezing rain all the way into the Gulf beaches and across parts of Texas, southern Texas, but you can also see temperatures in the 20s. On Monday night, the frozen precipitation will extend. Northward. What am I saying? On Monday night, the frozen precipitation will extend north. What is that word? On Monday night, the frozen precipitation will extend northeastward into the mid-Atlantic as well. Anyway, guys, get ready for these Arctic temperatures, snow, and yes, more icy, messy weather. Hope you all enjoyed this. Yes, I'm using my voice. I'm really doing this because adding on that text into my weather updates holds up the process to export these videos into files. So I'm just going to be doing this from now on. So, see you guys in the next video.